Conasatatu, Mary Allen here with the Hiberno English word of the day. And this weekend I've been exploring the Hiberno English word black. Now, yesterday I talked about black as in the place is black with people, which originally came from the Irish Dovladina.
I don't think they said it on Scailga. I think at this point the phrase for somewhere to be black with people had actually been used within Hiberno and had actually been used as an English phrase, in English words, not using the Gaeilge. Now, so that's an example of black being used as a Hiberno word, but not in the negative, just as in an intense thing that's happening. Black also was used very commonly when I lived in Northern Ireland.
North of Ireland, however you say it. This other use of the word black is also in the dictionary.
When I moved to Northern Ireland, it was just, the peace was just happening, the Good Friday Agreement. And I was lucky enough to be at City Hall when Mr. Clinton himself was there, and also Van Morrison played a very amazing song called No Religion Here Today. I've always been a big Van Morrison fan. However, I had friends at the time who would say, oh, Van Morrison, he's a black singer though. And I didn't get the reference because I hadn't grown up in Northern Ireland. So I realised within Northern Ireland, within Belfast and other parts of it, black could actually be used to describe somebody who was Protestant, somebody who was other. So perhaps that is the negative use then of black. Heard of black being used in this way, in this Hiberno way? Please let me know in the comments below.
Whether you live in America or the UK, Northern Ireland or north of Ireland, do let me know. Gramor.